How to add extra baggage in Air Canada. So first things first, you have to go to your Air Canada right here and then log into your account. Now, once you're here on their homepage, you can go to their check-in information. And then you can also scroll on here and look for this baggage info. Click this one right here. It will take you directly to another page. Here on this page, you have to tap on plans. Click this one. Now tap on check baggage. Click this one right here. Now what you're going to do next is you have to enter your destination, your from and to. So you can just basically select it right here. You can type the first three words or four words of the place or the destination. It will appear right here. All you have to do is to select. And then you can also filter some option. And then after that, you can tap on the view allowance. So basically, you will see the standard extra bag fees. Of course, it depends on route and fare. So you will see there more information about the overweight, oversized charges apply. If bag exceeds 23 kilos or more, extra fees may range from this destination to that destination. And now I'm going to show you a quick comparison table. So you can see here method. Manage booking, online check-in, kiosk, airport, counter, phone chat. When, you can see the following here, 24, anytime before departure, anytime, cost, standard, standard, standard. And then pros, convenient, confirm by email address, bundled with check-in, convenient if no internet, personal help, and useful when booking agent. So basically, you just have to go to check, and then here you will see more information about the extra baggage in Air Canada. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.